you guys. This morning we're taking advantage of the free parking. It's Sunday morning and it's free until 12. We're gonna check out a little bit of downtown Bar Harbor. Taking a walk on the shore path just out of the downtown area. We were here back in 2020, so it's nice to be back here again, and it's beautiful just like we remember. We saw some seals out here, their little heads popping up and then swimming off. That's fun. This area right here is the Bar Island Trail. At low tide, you can actually walk across here from Bar Harbor to Bar Island. You're safe to do that about an hour and a half before and an hour and a half low tide. If you don't come back before then, you're stuck for 9 hours. And we just read on the sign it costs $150 for a boat to come get you. So you don't want to get stuck. We just want to take a peek at that trail. Something we might do in a couple days. We're getting ready to head back past the gate here in the park. It's a little busier today. There's a wait. Last time we breezed right through pretty much. Late morning and early afternoon, we spent some time just checking out downtown Bar Harbor. And then we drove into the outskirts of the park, stopped at a visitor center to refill all our water, to empty our gray tank and fill our other water tank. So we are fully stocked now and ready to go for a few days. So you guys know that Steve doesn't like really strenuous hikes. He likes flat hikes and he likes benches. Well, there's a more strenuous hike here at Acadia, the Beehive Trail, that I've wanted to do. We met a fellow van lifer from Florida when we were in Bangor, and we've met up again, and I have a hiking buddy. We're gonna do the trail together.
Somebody's got to make sure the beach is still there.
We're on the Beehive Trail now, and I'm with our new friend Allie here.
Hi!
She's a much better hiker than I am.
Everyone starts somewhere.
But it's really awesome that we're doing this, that she's willing to do it with me, so I'm pretty excited. Guess what? I'm not with Steve, and we're lost already on this trail. We went the wrong way, so we're backtracking. Story of my life. I'm gonna blame you. pretty great. The Beehive Loop Trail is one of Acadia's most popular and challenging trails. Combined with the Bull Trail, this hike is 1.4 miles round trip, but can also be expanded by adding on other trails. The Beehive Trail is known for its first section that ascends a 450-foot cliff with exposed drop-offs, but no railings, just iron rungs and ladders. I was excited but a little nervous starting out on this hike. I like a good challenge, but some of the ledges I'd seen in other videos of this trail were pretty narrow, with a long way down if you slip. Yeah, I guess I put it away. I had to put my phone away for some of the ascent. I needed both hands to climb up the ladders and scramble up some of the steeper rock sections. It was pretty exhilarating doing the cliff section of the hike. I would definitely do it again in the future. Alright, we made it to the summit. Wasn't too bad. Actually pretty cool. At the summit, we were rewarded with stunning views over Sand Beach, Thunder Hole, and the Gulf of Maine. This feels pretty good. Oh, I guess this is the bowl, maybe? Yeah, so the crazy thing is that when we met Allie, we realized we're from the same area of Florida, and we both have cats. The other thing I didn't mention earlier is that she also has a bird. She's got a cockatiel. What's your cockatiel's name?
Sweetie.
Sweetie, and your cat is Ivy?
Yeah.
And when I was young, we had cockatiels and I had a lovebird. So it was pretty fun to run into her and see the things we have in common. And that we like to be out here in nature.
It's hard to find spots on the East Coast especially.
So we did the Beehive Loop and then we did the bowl and now we're heading back to Sand Beach. This has been a pretty great hike. I'm glad I had a hiking buddy. All right, we did it, you guys. It was pretty great. Another thanks to Allie for coming with me. Hi, kitty. This is Ivy. Hi, baby. Look at you. So much more brave than our kitty. There's no way our kitty would be out here. Look at Sweetie. Hi, pretty baby. Aww. Come here, baby. Oh, look at you. Hello, pretty baby, huh? Oh, I love birds. Cockatiels. Hi. Look at this, Sweetie. Hi. This is what I call shaving with a view. It's hard to beat that, huh?
Yep.
Pretty great view.
Sure beats the bathroom sink.
Right. Alright. We're doing this the Christina way tonight. Goodnight Trail way with our own variation of it. We don't cook the pasta separately. We put it all in the pot. It's a little more challenging to cook it that way, but then we only have one pot and don't waste a lot of water. While the spaghetti is cooking, I'm going to go check out the water view. We don't have a lot of daylight left. We drove just past Thunder Hole and it seems like a pretty great spot to make some dinner because you can see the water from the van and then just walk right across the street and get a good view. all these cool rocks. Love it. Is this great or is this great? Leaves of 3, leave them be, even if they're pretty. All right, and dinner is served. How is it?
It's very good.
And how's that cold of yours coming along?
Well, I think I'm in the middle of it. It's different than others. I don't know if this one's going to make its way to my chest or not. It's kind of just hanging out in my nasal. So if that's true, I guess that's a bonus, because you have been coughing quite a bit.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's a lot better than what we had when we were in Rochester, huh?
Yeah, that was a doozy.
Not a bad spot for dinner. It's starting to get a little chilly though, so I had to get a blanket here. We were just having dinner, and I looked out, and it looks like out here on the rock, a seal has come up. We've been seeing seals out far in the water just swimming, but we've not seen one come out of the water. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, so we're coming out here to check it out. So he's out here on this rock, which is pretty far out, but it's fun to see his whole body out of the water. And when I use my telephoto lens, I can actually tell that he's eating a fish or something like that. I wish this camera had video. It doesn't, like my old one. I'm gonna have to get a new one where I can get close-ups with video. But I got some pictures. It's getting a little dark, so I don't know how good it'll turn out. But that's pretty fun. He's having his dinner just like we were. There's the other one. There's one swimming. There's one swimming over here, and then there's one on the rock. That is, oh, there's 3 of them. I think there might have been 2 on the rock. So the one just jumped off into the water. There's 2 or 3 swimming out there now. When we were on the California coast, we saw them closer up, but it doesn't matter how many times we see different kinds of wildlife. Every time we see them, I feel like it's so special. So even though they're kind of far out there, I'm really glad we saw them.
Even that far out, it's still pretty cool. Not something I was expecting to see. So, neat little bonus.
We're back at Walmart tonight. We've had every intention of trying to stay at the RV parking area there in Bar Harbor, but for various reasons, especially because of needing to go to the library, it's just made more sense for us to come here. So that's okay. Maybe one of these nights we'll stay there. There are a lot of other vans and RVs tonight here at Walmart. Well, this is where we're going to leave you for this episode. A quick thank you to all our patrons. If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron yourself by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with other information about this episode. Thanks in advance, and we'll catch you on the next one.